Milkha Singh's childhood has a huge bearing on what is stored in his heart and his ambitions and his trials and his triumphs. Filmmaking is experiential. You actually experience, you invest your emotions in it. It's not a unidimensional story. This is the man behind the athlete. Also had a childhood behind him, which is where the foundations of the emotional thrust of the story is laid.
I personally loved it. My job is that the audience should not feel कि मैं आपके साथ हूँ.
So Faridun,
They should know that.
I have a question for you. Do you like Bhag Milkha Bhag?
I loved it.
Do you mind the length of Bhag Milkha?
Absolutely not. I never looked at my
Milord case is finished. We were working with masters. Shankar Ehsan Lawaya masters. Prasun Joshi is a master in his writing. Binod Pradhan is a genius, the cameraman. P.S. Bharti is a master in editing.
Now, many people from within the industry, they feel that the performance that Farhan has given, this is like, it will become a benchmark in terms of what acting should be, or the possibilities of acting can be. Something about Farhan's performance, and even I think the Tez guy, the younger boy who has played the younger version, Japtez, I think he's having a substantial role in the film, and I think he's having some really interesting ones, even the jo camp mein jo ek scene hai, jo tambu ke andar and all that stuff, many of them. Something about both Farhan as well as Japtez, if possible.
Well, the film is about Milkha Singh, and there is a young Milkha Singh, and then he grows up to be a Jawan Milkha Singh.
Yeah.
So Milkha Singh's childhood has a huge bearing on what is stored in his heart and his ambitions and his trials and his triumphs. So to showcase that to the audience was very important. To let them, as you earlier said, that filmmaking is experiential. You actually experience, you invest your emotions in it.
That happens once in a
So you have to
while.
but we all try and we all try towards that. That's the final goal. So it is very important that we understand his childhood, and that's why so much importance to the childhood. So once you understand कि हाँ ये Milkha का childhood था, and that's why when he grows up, and that's why he runs and why he runs and how he runs, all those things, you know, we do, all of us in a real life, when we do things, somewhere it's a gap in our childhood which comes out. Those are the gaps we fulfill. So yes, it's not a unidimensional story. It's not just about a hero who, as Prasanji was saying, who keeps running. This is the man behind the athlete, and that man behind the athlete also had a childhood behind him, which is where the foundations of the emotional thrust of the story is laid, and then that emotional thrust comes out as a volcano when he grows up.
Absolutely. Technically, this is I think a brilliant film in terms of be it the camera work, be it the editing as well. Maybe people may have certain issues with the duration, but even the editing, just जो patterns जो use किए गए हैं, वो जो आप जब I'm just saying generally. I'm just saying generally in fact. Because you know, I personally loved it. My job is that the audience should not feel कि मैं आपके साथ हूँ.
So Faridun,
They should know that.
I have a question for you. Do you like Bhag Milkha Bhag?
I loved it.
Do you mind the length of Bhag Milkha Bhag?
Absolutely not. I never looked at my
Milord case is finished.
Okay, now the question is, be it the editing part of it, be the camera work, be the background score, I think is fantastic as well. That way, almost every department, I think it has excelled. Something about the technical aspects of this movie, and how particular were you in just ensuring that everything is prim and proper?
Just hard work, nothing else. We were working with masters. Shankar Ehsan Lawaya masters. Prasun Joshi is a master in his writing. Binod Pradhan is a genius. He's not only a master, he's a genius master who is a cameraman. P.S. Bharti is a master in editing.
Right.
She has edited Rang De Basanti. She won a national award and many international awards. So that shows in the editing. It's not an easy film to edit. It's non-linear. That makes it even more difficult.
Absolutely.
Dolly is a master. Look at the realism she's brought into the clothes and everything. The background music was not wrapped up in 15 days, which is normally done.
Tubby as well as part of the
Tubby, yes, Tubby led the show along with Shankar Ehsaan Loy. The background music has taken 5.5 months. I would say even more, because the songs took us 18 months. We have taken the songs and then adapted that into the background.
Okay.
If you see, the refrains keep playing. So it's been very long in inception. It took 2 years to write. It's taken 4.5 years to make.
Absolutely.
Farhan has given 18 months to the film. So it's generally applications. So
Everybody, working with, of course, the whole team, Rakesh ji, his job itself is his job. If you see, I think mind-blowing craft you can see as a director, and I can tell you that it's fabulous, to see the film, and to get all these technicians together. I think that's what he has done. And all the actors, like Farhan is exceptionally good. So, look at Divya. She's wonderful. Everybody, Pawan,
look at
Yuvraj,
Sonam. Look at the statement Sonam has made.
Sonam is a small role, but it's a fantastic performance.
But sir, look at the statement Sonam has made, and she has accepted not the length of the role. First, she has become part of the overall film, and then her role, the way it's written, is a pivotal role. Film उस point पे आके घूम जाती है पूरी. It propels the film to another dimension.
In the life of Milka Singh, she plays that crux role. That if you take her out, you probably don't know how to progress the film from there. So that's the reason. So there are very important things she has to do.
These are tools of screenwriting, of good writing. See, there's good writing and bad writing. I wouldn't say this is. We should not praise our own works. This is good and correct writing. It will reach out to your hearts and it will आपके दिल जीत लेगी, वो तो है, वो मेरे को उसका पूरा विश्वास है. But it's that whatever is being said, whatever is being done, as the scene ends, it is propelling the film further. It is not taking you back. So there is no कहते हैं ना fat. It's a very lean, muscular film, like Farhan's body.
That is true. Even the body, I think the way he's worked on it is fantastic. Thank you very much, and all the best wishes, man. All the best. Thanks a lot.